echo, but yeah, let's see here if we can catch this. FedEx, they will take really good care of your packages. So now we will speed up and hopefully I can catch some more of this. Oh, and there's lots of sparks coming from underneath it, so it's not an empty box. There's like an oven or something inside of it. And dangerously switch lanes here. And this guy has no idea that he is pushing an oven or something. Shooting sparks down the highway. Okay. And also Volkswagen Beetles are stupid cars. Okay, bye.